Hello everyone. Today we'll unboxing soldering iron kit. Here you see we are unboxing the soldering iron kit and you see what are the products given in this kit. And in the description below I will give you the link of this soldering iron kit so that you may buy it and make videos for YouTube with this various instrument. You see, this is Fadman. You see here, Fadman basic kit soldering iron kit. In this, I'll show you what you are getting with this packet. You can buy it from Amazon, right? Here you see, these are the basic things we got it in this packet. Here you see, this is a see this one. I've got this one. See, this is a glue gun. This is glue gun. It is very useful for making any project. This is glue gun. This is very useful for making any project of science or any other project, right? And you can see here in this packet you will get the glue sticks, different glue sticks. Here you see, these are the glue sticks. I will show you one by one all the products and what is the quality of the product. This glue gun is very useful for making any craft, design and any other project. Besides that, there are other things in this packet also. I am revealing all the products one by one. Let's see. You can see here that there are many things in this packet and you'll be able to use all these instruments to make various types of projects very easily. And if you make YouTube videos, then you can make various YouTube videos with this instrument, and you need this instrument. If you want to buy these instruments, go to Amazon and I will give you the link in the description so that you may buy all this product from Amazon, right? Now see what are the different products I am getting with this packet. You get all these products with this packet, right? Then you see, first of all is the glue gun, right? And with this glue gun you will get 5 sticks. You see, there are 5 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there is another stick you can see here. You'll get 5 glue sticks, right? These are 5 glue sticks with this glue gun, right? And it is very useful to make various types of projects. You see this one, right? Besides that, you can also get another thing, that is this. All these you will get, right? Here you see, this is a screwdriver. You see, this is a screwdriver. You can use it for various purposes. You see, this screwdriver is very useful to make various types of projects with this, and you can use it for electrical and electronic purpose also, right? This screwdriver is very useful, right? Besides that, you will get another thing, that is this one, right? This one is a tester, and with this tester you can test the various electrical circuits. You see, this is a tester, and it is very useful for us to make various types of projects of current, projects of science, of electronics or electrical projects, right? You see, this is a tester, and this is very useful to make a project, right? Besides that, you will get a lens, magnifying lens, such that you can see it clearly, right? If you want to make some smaller, you want to see some smaller objects like mobile or any other parts, you can see it with this lens very easily, and it is also very useful, this magnifying glass, right, to see any small objects, right? Besides that, you will get soldering wire. You see here, this is the soldering wire you will get with this packet. This soldering wire is used to solder any type of electrical or any other project, right? To solder, you need this soldering wire, right? Besides that, you will get this one. This one is black tape. You will get one black tape also with this packet, right? You will get also one black tape, right? And you can get this tweezer also to make various types of projects, right? This is the tweezer, right? Besides this tweezer, it get other things also, that is this is a cutter or wire cutter, but you can cut wire or any other types of objects with this cutter, right? You can use these various types of to make various types of projects, right? Besides that, you will get this one is also very important for you. This one, for soldering, you see, this one you will get soldering right. This one you will also get with this soldering iron to make soldering properly. Besides that, you will get one soldering iron. You see, this is a soldering iron, right? All these products you will get, and the cost of this bracket varies from time to time. But you buy it in the Great Indian Festival, right, then you will get within 500 rupees, right? The package is within 500 rupees, but it varies from time to time, and these instruments are very useful for you to make any type of project, of science project, or it is of any other type of environmental project or any other project, right? Now you can buy all this product from the link I will give you in the description. From that link you can buy it from Amazon or from Flipkart also, right? And this packet is nearly about rupees within 500, right? Within 500, but it varies from time to time, right? This is just an information for you that if you want to make various types of YouTube videos, you need all these instrument to make various types of projects. I also use all these instrument to make various types of projects. Dear friends, besides that, you will get this stand also to keep this soldering iron here. You'll get this stand also with this packet, right? Dear friends, you are getting all these products in one packet. You can buy it either from Amazon or from Flipkart, right? I will give you the description link in the description. You can go there and buy it to make various types of projects. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.